Your kid is going to look out the window today and ask you a science question that might catch you off guard. They'll point up and ask, "Mom, Dad, why does the sky turn so dark right before it rains?" If you tell them it's just because of shadows or pollution, you're missing a massive teaching moment. The real answer is simple. Clouds get so tightly stuffed with millions of heavy water droplets that sunlight literally can't squeeze through them anymore. Grab our fully illustrated weather learning ebook right now. The clickable link is waiting for you in our channel bio. Want to be the parent who always has the fun, easy answer to their big science questions?